Crister Sereno Sanchez.
Mic test, robot on set. My name is John Andre Ibanez Di Busada.
Mic test, robot on set. My name is Tiffany Corteza.
Mic test, robot on set. My name is Wala Joy Ramirez Somoza.
Welcome to our proud university.
We are the PAULIBOT.
Heart sons and daughters of St. Paul, welcome to our proud university.
Our university upholds a tradition of excellence, shaping sharp minds and standing as a beacon of Catholic education.
Accidents are unpredictable. Thus, the SmartWork Bot aids in securing workplace safety, assuring a safe and comfortable working environment. That's why we invented the SmartWork Bot. This robot detects risks and gives early warnings. Its purpose is to prevent any unwanted occupational accidents, as the Philippines is prone to occupational disasters.
Many businesses in the Philippines often face occupational hazards that threatens workers' safety, health, and productivity. Existing safety measures are often insufficient, creating a need for an effective and affordable workplace safety solution.
SmartWork Bot is designed to monitor workplace condition and detect potential hazards.
The SmartWork Bot uses sensors and program systems to identify obstacles and safe zones in risky situations.
SmartWork Bot helps reduce workplace accidents, provide safety, and increase efficiency. By supporting a safer working condition, it contributes to decent work and sustainable economic growth.
This robot is created to help businesses in efficiency, safety, health, and productivity of the workers.
SmartWork Bot demonstrates how robotics can enhance workplace safety and productivity. This project highlights the role of technology in protecting workers and supporting businesses, with the potential for future improvements.
The SmartWork Bot addresses the limitations of manual workplace hazard inspection by providing real-time hazard detection, consistent monitoring, and immediate alerts. The robot helps create a safer and more productive work environment.
I'm so tired of playing with this bow and arrow. Gonna give my heart away.
Where innovation meets protection.
Detect early, alert instantly, and protect always with SmartWork Bot.